Indus Valley civilization. In the first Indus Valley civilization, we will look after ancient civilization. So in this ancient civilization, there was history, but there was no proper evidence, and we are saying reading this ancient civilization through radiocarbon dating. With the help of radiocarbon dating, we will be reading regarding ancient civilization. How means the materials which are there, they will be studying with the help of researchers. They will be doing research on that particular instrument with the help of radiocarbon dating, and they will find from which period that particular belongs to. Next, Harappa was discovered by Dayaram Saini, first discovered on river Ravi in 1921. Next, R.D. Banerjee, he is called Rakaldas Banerjee, who discovered Mohenjo-daro on the river Indus in 1922. Why we are discovering this means this all were exhausted because of floods, all these things. Indus Valley civilization, along with Indus Valley civilizations, 4 other civilizations were also parallelly going on. They are Sumerian civilization, it is also called as Mesopotamia civilization. Next was Egyptian civilization. Next was Chinese civilization. These were parallel. This was going on Nile river, on river Nile, and this was Hong river. Next, this Indus Valley civilization gave a lot of importance. Like, this was mainly total sites which were excavated were, total sites are 1400 sites. Archaeologists have discovered 1400 sites like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, like this Kalibangan, Dholavira. These are the things. In this one, in India, it were 900 sites, and in Pak it were 500 sites. Total this were 1400 sites were discovered. Next, important thing in this Indus Valley civilization is town planning. The people of Indus Valley civilization were aware of everything, so they have constructed houses like this. This they have divided as upper part for rich people and lower. So there were, in some places there were 2 parts, in some places there were 3 parts for upper class, next for middle class and lower class. So in this way these were divided. So these 3 parts were made, constructions were made at Bollavira. At Bollavira this was made, and some places there were no citadels were not there in Indus Valley civilization. The people of here followed agrarian, they mainly depended on agrarian economy was agrarian. The most important food here was barley, wheat. Next, some commercial crops were also were made by Indus Valley people. These commercial crops were cotton, mustard. Next, here we are having the evidence of some evidences we can find in Indus Valley civilization. They are rice was rarely cultivated, not staple food, and we found the evidence of rice grain in Lothal. Next, we found the evidence of rice husk in Rangpur. At Rangpur, we found the evidence of the rice husk. At Banavali, we found the evidence of terracotta replica. Important industries here were the Indus people know how to construct the houses. So they made the houses with the help of bricks. They used bricks here. Indus Valley people are also aware regarding the how the bricks were made for the construction of houses. Next, these people were aware regarding metallurgical industry. These people used copper and bronze. Indus people used copper and bronze. And shipbuilding was only present. These people were also aware of shipbuilding at only Lothal. We are having the evidence of shipbuilding. Jewelry industries were also there, like at places like Lothal, Bollavira. Jewelry we can find at Bollavira, Lothal. At these places we are having the evidence of all these things. Next, the people of Indus Valley, there were no big rulers. The priest class were rulers. Here. Class was rulers. The people of Indus Valley followed religious policy. They had religious beliefs. Religious beliefs were present in Indus Valley people. Like they followed mother goddesses. They worshipped mother goddesses and Pashupati Mahadeva. They were worshipped by the Indus Valley people, and the people used. We are having the evidence of Pashupati Mahadeva with 3 heads and 2 horns. Surrounding by animals. So here we can get the evidence of animals. Animal rearing was also there here in Indus Valley civilization. Causes of Indus Valley civilization. Next, domestication of animals. The people used animals like snakes, goats, sheep, dogs, buffaloes. These were also used by the Indus Valley people. The people here knows domestication of animals, but these people were not aware regarding horses and camels. The people does not know much regarding camels and animals. And there is also a clear evidence where animals were worshipped. Like snake, cow, all these things were worshipped. And there was also a weight measures were also present in Indus Valley civilization. We are having weight measures also. The base is 16 is the base weight for measurement. Base weight for measurement. Next, today it is 1 rupee is called 16 annas. Is 16 chaktas. This was the weight system in Indus Valley civilization. Discoveries. So in Indus Valley civilization, this Indus Valley civilization got extinct because of floods, all these things, because the Indus Valley civilization started places where the rivers are located, because the people need water to survive. So because of this, the discoveries were Lothal, Banawali, which is located in Haryana, now extinct. Saraswati river is also extinct, and Sukardito at Ran of Kutch, Dhulavira, which is excavated. Here we are able to, when the people are bought all these things, they got evidences, and the buildings were properly constructed with proper drainages. Proper drainage system was there, and the construction was in the chessboard pattern. Chessboard pattern was used, and there was upper class, higher class, and middle class. These categories are also present in the Indus Valley civilization. Next, the people trade here. Here the people does not know much trade, because the market was agrarian market, means it was barter system by exchanging of goods. Here the people exchanged goods. There was no currency, and weight measures were accurate in Harappan culture. Harappan culture, we can find the evidence. Just now we have seen 1 rupee is equal to 16 annas in that way. So they generally use limestone, steatite for general cubical shaped for measurement of weights. To measure anything, they use these things. Next, we have this. They have described a dockyard. They have discussed, and they have discussed a dancing doll, which is made up of bronze material, and bathing tubs were also found. Bathing tubs were found here, and also there is a evidence of graveyards. Graveyards were also found by the archaeologist department. So these are the things which we have seen in Indus Valley civilization.